Hello friends, welcome back to Dream Degree. Let's discuss about Unity Theatre. Unity Theatre refers to a network of amateur theatre groups in the United Kingdom that emerged in the 1930s and became notable for their politically progressive and socially conscious productions. Origins and context. Founded in 1936 in London, initially as the Workers' Theatre Movement, grew out of a desire to create theatre that reflected the lives and struggle of the working class, influenced by left-wing political ideologies, particularly socialism and communism. Objective and goals aimed to democratize theatre, making it accessible and relevant to working class audience, sought to address social and political issues through performance, advocating for social change, focused on collective ownership and production, often involving non-professional actors and community members. Characteristics: political and social themes. Unity Theatre productions often tackled issues such as workers' rights, unemployment, fascism, and social justice. Collective approach emphasized collaborative creation and egalitarian principles with collective decision-making process. Amateur participation relied on amateur actors and volunteers, reflecting its grassroots and community-oriented ethos. Innovative techniques used techniques like agitprop, documentary theatre, and direct addresses to engage audience. Notable productions and contributions: Waiting for Lefty by Clifford Oates, a play about a taxi driver's strike, was one of the significant early productions. Plant in the Sun, dealing with the struggles of Caribbean workers, showcased Unity Theatre's commitment to diverse issues. Unity Theatre produced politically changed revues such as Here We Come Gathering, which blended music, comedy, and political satire. Impact and influence. Unity Theatre played a crucial role in popularizing political theatre in the UK, influencing later movements and playwrights. Provided a platform for new writing and experimental forms of theatre that challenged mainstream theatrical conventions. Influenced by development of community and grassroots theatre, emphasizing the role of theatre in social activism. Challenges and controversies. Faced politically scrutiny and surveillance, particularly during the periods of high-ended anti-communist sentiment. Struggled with financial instability and resource limitations, relying heavily on volunteer efforts and community support. Legacy. Unity Theatre's legacy is seen in the continued presence of politically engaged and community-focused theatre in the UK, inspired future generations of theatre practitioners to use the medium as a tool for social commentary and change. The principles of collective creation and social relevance established by Unity Theatre continue to influence contemporary theatre groups and movements. Decline and transformation. The influence of Unity Theatre waned in the post-war period, with many groups disbanding or transforming. Some members and offshoots of Unity Theatre went on to influence other areas of the arts and media, contributing to a broader cultural impact. Unity Theatre remains an important chapter in the history of British theatre, exemplifying how theatre can serve as a powerful vehicle for social and political engagement rooted in community participation and collective action. Thanks for watching.